Welcome to Fanny Magnet. Right now in this video we are going to open this old hard drive and we'll see what inside this. Okay, so just for your information, this is a Hitachi hard drive and this is a not working hard drive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this and I'm going to plug this hard drive into this connector. Okay, this connector directly is going to my laptop. So once I open this and put this thing on power, we will able to visually see what exactly happens when we put the hard drive into the laptop. So you see that the hard drive is making noise. So this is a completely non-working hard drive and it is very risky to keep any information, any data in this hard drive, this kind of hard drive. You need to understand, anytime you hear any sound from coming from the hard drive, like this one, you need to consider that hard drive is gone and it is of no use. So just get a new hard drive. So let's start with the video and I'm going to open this and let's see how it goes. Just one thing I have noticed, that these screws are made up of steel. Okay, so that's the reason it is having a hard time to get this thing stick to this magnet. And by the way, this magnet is very powerful, and I think only 5% of iron is used and rest all this is a pure steel. You can see that when I'm rotating the screwdriver, the screws are just trying to fall. So right now I have removed all the screws and we are going to open this seal. Okay, you need to understand, in case if you're doing this with a new hard drive, the warranty will void. Okay, so here we go. Okay, there is nothing beside this. Okay, just there is a hole, I think. Here we go. So there is just a little hole here. Okay, there is nothing here. So here we go. I think we will have to remove this screw because this is going from here to the top of that. And here we go. And that's the hard drive. So let's try to put a power here and let's see how it goes. So it is not reading in the computer, or else I would have tried something else. You see that? That's a plate on which the data gets stored, and this is the one who write and erase the data from the platters. And from here the power goes to this circuit and whole thing happens. So let's try to disconnect the connector and let's see how it goes. So I'm disconnecting. You see that when we turn off the power from the hard drive, this guy go from this platters to the different place. Okay, so that's how this thing is going. Let's try to connect again. The sound you hear from the laptop, that's coming when I'm plugging the USB cable. I have this kind of connector. Let me show you this. This is a connector, like this. And this, if you see here, there is a little kind of a cotton here. Let me show you that. This one. Okay, this is placed here to keep all the moisture out from this disk. Okay, so this is generally I have seen in almost all the drives, this one. So let's try to open further and let's see. So you can see all my fingerprints on the platters. And here we go. Okay, so there's two platters. This platter depends on the GB of hard drive you have. Like for example, if you have a 500 GB of a platters, 500 GB of a, if you have a 500 GB of a hard drive, then you can consider two platters, and so on, so on, so on. And also depend, if the platter is able to store more storage, then you will have less platters on this. And here we go. Okay, there is a little ring. Okay, this ring is here. Okay, so I'm going to place this, and I think we can use this ring to wow, cool. So you can make out one ring out of the broken hard drive. And let's see. No. Here we go. So right now we don't have any platters here. Okay, so I have removed the platters. Now let's try to turn it on and let's see what happened now. You see that this guy is moving here. Okay, let me show you that. I'll go ahead and place this thing here. and I'll do a little marking here. So you see that this guy's moving here. Okay, I think that's a motor. And one thing I've noticed, as soon as I remove the platters, this guy is not coming here. Okay. So let's try to put the platter back and let's see how it goes. So one thing you need to understand, okay, if you see here, there is a space for 2 hard drives, so you need to place one hard drive here in this one and another one in this one. So let's put the and I'm going to put the ring back here, and then second platters. Here we go. And we'll put the screw back. So this was a short video on, in which I have tried to explain what's inside the hard drive. Generally, you need to understand if the hard drive fails, it's not a word to repair. But yes, in case like like a 2% of chances if this part fails, okay, this part. Generally, what I do whenever the hard drive fails, the reason I keep all the hard drives with me, as you can see that I have a bunch of old non-working hard drive, and the reason I keep this, because in case you see that 1 2 3 4, because the reason, so in case this part fails, this green part, okay, that definitely you can replace by taking from the old hard drive. Apart from this, there is nothing can be repaired on the hard drive, and even if you repair apart from this green circuit, it's very risky that whenever you will keep a data or any kind of information in that. So generally, as I said, there is only 1% of chances, less than 1% of chances that this circuit will fail. So this was a short video on what's inside the hard drive, and if you think this video was helpful, this video is worth, hit the like button. For more such kind of videos, you can subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.